It is important you have proper interpretation of the question that you have chosen to answer. The latest WAEC Chief Examiner's report identifies misinterpretation of questions as one of the reasons for failure in SSCE. Let me ask you a question. Have you been pranked before? Suddenly you begin to react to the purported reality of your environment, but you soon realize that what you are seriously working on is just the figment of your imagination. That's what happens when you misinterpret a question. There are three kinds of essay questions you must be careful to answer. By the way, please follow me on this channel, like, and share my content. There are three kinds of essay questions you must be careful to answer. Number one, reply to a letter. When writing a reply to a letter, you must write in your reply that you have seen the letter previously written to you and you have read the content. Then you can now write your reaction to the letter. Number two, a story that has a theme given as an idiomatic expression. In this case, if you do not understand the idiom, leave the topic. After all, you still have 4 other options to choose from. Choose another topic. Topics like haste makes waste. Can you write on it? Another one, I later realized that it was a Greek gift. What's that topic to you? And yet another topic, those who live in a glass house do not throw stone. If you cannot interpret the topic, please skip it. Number three, 2-part questions. Some topics have 2 parts, something like problem and solution, action and results, actions and their consequences. In any case, you must write on both parts, otherwise you will not score a good mark. The penalty for misinterpretation of question is severe. At times, the examiners are instructed to mark 0, or they may be asked to mark content over 5. Usually, content is over 10, organization over 10, expression over 20, mechanical accuracy over 10, making 50 in total for continuous writing. But in this case, since you have written on just a part and you have left the other part unattended to, therefore, the candidate has only 25 marks to fight for. So your content now will be 5, organization 5, expression 10, and your mechanical accuracy 5, making 25. Not that you are going to score 25 marks. It means that your mark obtainable now is 25. Other penalties will be applicable and you may end up scoring 8. And that 8 is over 50. Please, as you prepare for your exam, work on your ability to accurately interpret questions. If you can interpret questions very well, it will help you in your everyday life. Number one, you will pass your exams very well. Then you'll be able to interact with your friends and you understand messages from your friend, you understand messages from your dad and from your mom. And in future, you can become a software analyst, a detective, or an investigator. You can also become a medical doctor and you can become a scientist.